Good morning, student. We see the chapter number 10, perimeter and area. In last session, we see what is meant by perimeter. Huh? And perimeter means is the sum of length of all sides of figures. Okay, see, this is if we find the perimeter of this figure, so then we add this all side plus this side plus this side plus this side, so we get the perimeter. But today we find the area. And what is meant by area? The amount of surface occupied by the shape is called area. See, this is shapes and amount of surface inside this shape. This is area of this figure, and these are the perimeter. See difference. What is the difference between perimeter and area? This is perimeter, border, only border. Okay, this border is called we call perimeter. But the space inside this figure, this all space is called area. So today we count the area. Now how to find the area of this figure? So to find the area of the figure, we place it on graph paper. Suppose this is graph paper and trace the shape on the graph paper. Here we trace the shapes of rectangle and count the number of square that are covered. Okay, and the number of unit square inside the trace figure gives the area of shapes. See here, how many square inside? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Means area of the shapes or area of this rectangle is 16 square unit. Okay. So suppose a small square is area is 1 square minute. A small square, what is the area of this small square? Is 1 square minute. Then area is 16 square meter. What is the unit of area? Square meter. We write here square, SQ. Okay, this is Q. Point meter, short form, square meter, or this type, meter square. Or if you square centimeter, area is given in centimeter, then square centimeter, we write short form square centimeter or centimeter square. These are the unit. And what is the unit of perimeter? Perimeter is your sides is given in meter, then perimeter also in meter. Okay, if sides given in centimeter, then perimeter also in centimeter. But here, when area is, small area is given 1 square meter, then area is square meter. Or another way how to write? Meter square. If area is given in square centimeter, then you write the area square centimeter or centimeter square. Okay, so remember the unit of this area. So what is the area of this figure? So we get how many small square here? 16. So area of this figure is 16 square meter or meter square. Okay, now we see one more example here. Now here we find the area of regular shapes. See here, this is diary. Now we find the area of this diary. Perimeter means this border only. Okay, now we find this area. Okay, so we put this diary on square sheet paper. And here one small square. This is one small square. What is the area? One small square is of area is equal to 1 square centimeter. This is given, already given you. So we find the area of this diary. Now we put this diary on this square paper. Now we get the point here. This one, this 2, this 3, and this is 4. Now we find the area of this diary. So we get how many square here? So we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 and 24. How many square here? 24 square. So area of this diary is equal to 24, and this is already given. This was small square means 1 square centimeter. So your answer also square centimeter or 24 centimeter square. So area of this diary is 24 centimeter. So in this way we solve the questions given in your exercise 10.2. See here, find the area of the following shapes. Each small square has an area of 1 square centimeter. Okay, so now we find the area of this figure. So here, one small square is of an area is equal to 1 square centimeter. This is you already given. So count the number of square. Okay, so you have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 and this is 26. So area of this figure is equal to 26 square centimeter. This is unit. Okay, this is so important. Or 26 centimeter square. You have to write this way or this way. Any type you have to write, but remember to write the unit. So area of this figure is 26 square centimeter. In this way you have to complete the exercise 10.2 in your notebook. Draw this type of shapes in your notebook. Okay, and complete the given exercise. Thank you.